Very good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fine. So, I have already discussed methods of calculating depreciation, right? That is straight line method as well as WDV, written down value method. Now, today I am going to discuss a new technique, that is how to record depreciation in our books of accounts. So, there are two ways to record depreciation. Our first way is by charging to asset account. By charging to asset means we just have to levy depreciation on the value of that particular asset, and the asset will be decreased every year after charging depreciation again and again in the following years, right? Means the full effect will be on the cost of that asset and on the asset account. Asset account we have already discussed. I have already shown how we have to charge depreciation in asset account. Now in case number 1, two accounts are mandatory to maintain. The first one is asset account that I have already discussed. The second account that I will discuss today is depreciation account. This is a very simple account, right? See, you all know that whenever we have to charge depreciation on any asset, so the journal entry is depreciation account debit टू एसेट अकाउंट. जो भी हम लोग एसेट के ऊपर डेप्रिसिएशन कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं, हम क्या करेंगे, उसके वैल्यू को उतने अमाउंट के साथ डिक्रीज कर देंगे. यही करते थे हम लोग when we were just calculating depreciation and we were just charging depreciation on asset, right? Now see, very simple. Now if you have to record the depreciation, right, the amount of depreciation through asset account, then how we will write here? I have already told you that depreciation is always calculated at the end of the accounting period. So it will also be recorded at the end. So how we have to write? For this I have just taken one example. See, on 1st April 2015, B Limited purchased a machine of rupees 1 lakh. B Limited ने एक मशीन खरीदी है on 1st April 2015. डेप्रिसिएशन का रेट है दैट इज 8% पर एनम. इट मीन्स फर्स्टली डेप्रिसिएशन इज it is 1 lakh into 8%, that is 8,000. Means if we are following straight line method, then we have to use this 8,000 as depreciation for every year in the following years. जितना हमें क्वेश्चन में required है कि for this number of years we have to prepare our depreciation or asset account. Now see, it means every year this 8,000 will be charged. Okay, now when we have to prepare depreciation account, so firstly we will write down the date when we are charging depreciation. So if we have purchased on 1st April 2015, it means on 31/3/2016 we will write here. What we have to write? It's depreciation to asset. Then we will write here in depreciation account to asset account, and the amount will be 8,000. Now what we have to do? Now the same amount of depreciation will be charged to P&L account immediately on the same date. So again we will write here. Now see, what is the journal entry to record this depreciation in the P&L account? Because depreciation is our expense, so it will always be debited, right? But in P&L account we have to show all the expenses on the debit side. So in this case P&L account will be debited, so the entry will be profit and loss account debit to depreciation. It means in depreciation account what we will write here? By P&L. So write down the date on which we are recording this in the P&L account, that is 31/3/2016. We will write here by P&L account. The amount is 8,000 and we will close this account. Again on 31st March 2017, again we will charge depreciation. We will write here to asset, right? Again, because this is straight line method, then the amount of depreciation will be same. Then 8,000, again this will be transferred to the P&L account. We will write here by P&L account. The amount is 8,000. right? So this is how we have to charge depreciation every year and we have to transfer the amount in the P&L account. जितने साल के लिए आपको बोला गया है कि आपको प्रिपेयर करना है डेप्रिसिएशन अकाउंट, उतने साल के लिए हम लोग सेम ये वाला जो हमारा है सिस्टम है कि पहले एसेट में ट्रांसफर करके देन वी विल चार्ज इट टू द P&L, वो हम लोग सेम चीज़ करते जाएंगे, राइट? सो ये वो केस है व्हेन वी हैव टू चार्ज आर डेप्रिसिएशन टू एसेट, मीन्स हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, अपनी एसेट को रिड्यूस कर रहे हैं. फर्स्ट ईयर वी आर रिड्यूसिंग इट बाय 8,000 अगेन, देन 8,000 अगेन एंड सो ऑन, जब तक उसकी वैल्यू 0 नहीं हो जाती, राइट? सो दिस इज द केस व्हेन वी हैव टू charge our depreciation to our asset account. Two accounts we have to prepare, asset account as well as depreciation. Now our case number 2 is by creating provision for depreciation account. See student, what happened when more than one machine is to be purchased, then it is very difficult to maintain the record in the asset account only. बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स हो जाता है कि आप उसको खरीद रहे हो, फिर आप डेप्रिसिएशन को शो कर रहे हो, अगेन यू आर परचेजिंग एनी अदर एसेट, देन यू आर सेलिंग एनी वन ऑफ द एसेट्स, सो दैट बिकम्स मोर कॉम्प्लेक्स. वो सिचुएशन कॉम्प्लेक्स हो जाती है. नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इन सेकेंड केस, व्हेन वी हैव टू क्रिएट प्रोविजन फॉर डेप्रिसिएशन, देन अ सेपरेट अकाउंट इज टू बी मेंटेन्ड इन ऑर्डर टू रिकॉर्ड द डेप्रिसिएशन. मीन्स इस केस में हम लोग एसेट अकाउंट को बिल्कुल भी टच नहीं करने वाले. वी विल जस्ट रिकॉर्ड द परचेज एज वेल एज द सेल ऑफ एसेट्स इन एसेट अकाउंट ओनली. जो डेप्रिसिएशन का जो भी हमारा अमाउंट होगा, दैट विल बी चार्ज टू प्रोविजन फॉर डेप्रिसिएशन. अ स्पेशल अकाउंट विल बी मेंटेन्ड, दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रोविजन फॉर डेप्रिसिएशन अकाउंट. इसमें हम लोग डेप्रिसिएशन में नहीं, बल्कि हम लोग प्रोविजन फॉर डेप्रिसिएशन में हमारा सारा का सारा डेप्रिसिएशन को चार्ज करते जाएंगे. तो एसेट का जो भी है, लाइक एवरी ईयर 8,000 we are calculating, so this 8,000 will be directly transferred to provision for depreciation account, not in asset account. इससे क्या होता है, कैलकुलेशन थोड़ी इजी हो जाती है, अंडरस्टैंड करना इजी हो जाता है कॉन्सेप्ट्स को, वो कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी खत्म हो जाती है जो एक ही अकाउंट में बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाती है. Is that okay? Now how to prepare provision for depreciation account, that I will discuss in my next video. Till then please prepare and practice your first case, that is how we have to charge depreciation to asset account, and do practice for asset account as well as depreciation account and send me your queries. Thank you so much.